Hello all, welcome to Unacademy. In this introductory video, I'll be giving you information regarding the GMAT 2020 batch which is starting from 1st June. In this batch, Mr. Himanshu Das will be conducting the VARC sessions and myself Shashant Rathore, I will be conducting the quantitative aptitude session. This is a 3-month long batch which is very important for the aspirants who want to take admission in the Jan 2021 session, or which you can say is a winter session for admissions in abroad or most of the countries. In this batch we will be giving you information regarding the importance of GMAT, why you should give GMAT, who all should give GMAT, and as you can give GMAT and you can use the same score for the next 5 years, so you can score it by you can score in GMAT well right now while studying or having a preparation gap. In this batch, I will be teaching quant from very basic according to the official GMAT guide. For example, the topics of quantitative aptitude like number system, geometry, mensuration, combinatorics, all will be covered according to the official GMAT guide, and we will teach you how to attempt the exam in a prominent way to score a prominent score of 730 plus or 700 plus to get the admission into one of the most prominent universities in the world. In similar way, Mr. Himanshu Das will be conducting session so that you can utilize out the maximum potential of yourself to score good in GMAT. As this batch is starting from 1st June, you can go to Unacademy site, and in the batch section you can go in the new batches section, you can go and you can enroll in the batch. For example, new batches, you can go and click on see all, and then you can see which all batches are getting connected started. See, this is the batch which is going to start from 1st June. See, Vision GMAT 2020 weekday batch. You can find the information over here and you can enroll in the batch, and we will be conducting classes from 1st of June. Mr. Himanshu Das is starting from 1st June and I'll be starting from 3rd June, and our timings will be in evening. Both of us are conducting sessions in evening. He is conducting sessions on Mondays and Wednesdays, and I'll be conducting session on Tuesdays and Thursdays mostly. So who all want to crack GMAT for the winter session, they should enroll in this batch. And you can use and you can buy plus as soon as you want, because the batch is going to be start in next 1 week, and you can buy the plus subscription also. Thank you.